Hey there, tech-savvy folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that's all about giving you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest gadgets. Today, we've got something every laptop owner should consider: the Universal 65W45W USB-C laptop charger by NXN-UFCSM. Stick around as we break down why this charger is a must-have for your tech arsenal. First things first, let's talk power specs. This charger is a beast, delivering a maximum output of 65W at 20 volts and 3.25A. But here's the beauty: it's also compatible with 45W laptops that require 20 volts at 2.25A or less. That means versatility and efficiency rolled into one sleek charger. Plug type? USB-C, of course. It's the future, and this charger is ahead of the game. Plus, it's brand new, so you're getting the latest in charging technology. Now, compatibility is where this charger shines. It plays nice with a wide range of laptops, including Lenovo, HP, Acer, Samsung, Asus, and Chromebooks, among others. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple chargers for different devices. This one does it all. Let's talk brands. Compatible with Lenovo Chromebooks like the 100E, 300E, 500E, and more. And don't forget ThinkPads. From the A series to the T series, this charger has you covered. It's even compatible with yoga laptops, so you can twist and turn without worrying about power. HP users, rejoice! This charger works with Chromebooks like the X360 series, Google Chromebooks, Spectre X2, Pavilion X2, and more. It's got your back, whether you're working or streaming your favorite shows. Dell aficionados, don't feel left out. Latitude, Chromebook, and XPS series laptops are all in the compatibility club. From the Latitude 3400 to the XPS 9550, you're covered. And Acer users, you're not forgotten. This charger supports Acer Chromebooks, including the Spin series, as well as various other models. From the classroom to the boardroom, you're good to go. Last but not least, warranty and support. You're in good hands with a 1-year warranty, and NXN-UFCSM has your back with replacement or refunds if you run into any issues. Customer satisfaction is a top priority. So there you have it, the Universal 65W45W USB-C laptop charger. It's your all-in-one solution for powering up your laptops and Chromebooks from various brands. Versatile, efficient, and backed by a warranty. What more could you ask for? If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights and reviews. And remember, if you ever need a charge, this charger has your back. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay charged, stay connected, and keep exploring the world of amazing products right here on Product Critique.